What a great day to arrive at the office and to see this box just in front of the garage. And do you know what this is? It's my first long-term test ride bike of the year. It's the brand new BMW F900XR and I'm gonna unbox it right now. I'm gonna put this right here. We're gonna have a lot of fun right now. Well, I must admit that I'm a bit clumsy, so I got my friend Bogdanel here to help me.
We start with the straps. I got a kitchen knife over here, so
yeah, that's great.
we have to be careful with it. You know what I love the most about this part of the motorcycle job?
What?
Smell, because it smells so nice when the bike is new. So I think we have to lift the cap first. Should be easy to lift it. Give it to me.
Wow, man, so this is my bike for this year. How cool is that? I love my job, I really love my job, and I could do this every single day. But unfortunately, we don't have enough time to long-term test every bike. Over here is the battery, and we have the mirrors over there and the windscreen. Am I right?
Wanna bet? You sure about that?
That's the battery.
It's too light to be the battery.
No, it's a battery. No, yeah, it's not a battery.
So let's check out the other stuff inside. What's here? So one mirror, the other one. Hey, we have the manual. You should start reading it.
Yeah, give it to me.
While I'm doing stuff over here. So you also have a Pro stick over here. I think this is the Pro stick.
Yeah, give it to me.
Should be. Why are you taking everything?
Because it's mine.
It's not going to be like this.
Okay.
Sharing is caring, bro. I hope it has some fuel inside it. So this piece, I think it goes underneath the 333 clamp. So
okay.
We'll have to fit
Yeah,
it.
I think that we should start unboxing it and we're gonna figure it out.
So this is the windshield.
Yeah,
it's a very tall.
Yeah, it's quite
Should
cool,
be
actually.
good for your height. Should be.
It should be, yeah?
Yeah, because you're small.
And I can see that it's also adjustable. As far as I know,
Yeah,
it's also adjustable.
Two
positions, yeah?
Exactly, yeah. Now I need your help because we have to remove all these bits. You have to twist them and then take them aside.
There are no...
On your side,
there's just one over here.
Just one over there. Yeah. This is a maneuver that I learned in my years of as a journalist unboxing bikes. You should learn it also. Yeah.
And we're gonna have the first scratch of the season. So how did it happen? Well, we were unboxing the bike and...
Everything starts with well. Oi, mate, what's happening? You should stop doing this. We have to unwrap the bike. Let me help you with this one. Now we can play with it as much as you want.
Okay, so now we have to plug in the battery.
Okay, the battery is over here. It's
Yep.
unplugged. I want you to do something for me right now because I'll be...
Man, it's addictive doing this.
Yeah, I know, but I cannot work in these conditions. Please stop.
So, what we got over here, this is the place for the Enduro Pro riding mode. No, for the Pro riding mode.
You got used to enduro bikes so much
Yes,
that
it's the Dynamic Pro riding mode, right?
Exactly.
Dynamic Pro riding mode, oh, that's cool.
So, right now, battery is plugged. We have oil inside. You checked it.
Yep.
Are you sure
Yeah, we
it's
have,
inside?
yeah.
Okay.
And it's okay?
Coolant.
Yeah, I hope
Should
it
be
that,
with
yeah,
the
it should
coolant
be,
level,
it should
okay?
be over. And
Okay.
a bit of gas.
Let me... Yeah, it sounds like it has a little bit of gas, but I don't know where the key is.
The key.
But it's not very important because the key works from
Yeah, it was from
distance,
like
it should be good. So this means that the key is somewhere near.
someone nearby. That's the thing with the.
Here's the key.
Okay, that's the thing with the keyless.
Tank reserve reach. So you should have something inside. But first of all, let's take a closer look at this dash.
No. I gotta be the one doing this.
Don't peel it. Don't peel it off.
I'm on. Come on.
You're like a baby. Don't do that. Give it to me, please.
What?
You want to keep it as good as possible, in a very good shape.
What? You want to do the same?
No, I just want to leave it there. It looks better like this. Okay, man, do it yourself. Okay, so what else? We need to remove everything that is close to the bike, to the exhaust, because we don't want to burn something.
Unboxing a bike is so cool. When doing a normal review for a day or 2 days or a week, somehow you're missing some things. But when riding a bike for a whole season, you're getting the in-depth view regarding this bike. So that's what we're gonna do with this F900XR throughout the year. But now let's get back to the unboxing. Can I start it?
Yeah, you can.
Right now?
Yeah.
With all these things?
Yeah, there's no problem.
Wow.
Check out the noise, that Euro 5 exhaust.
Wow.
The smell comes out, it's very nice.
Yeah,
You can breathe in this system.
it smells like Euro 5, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. But it's a very nice smell and it's a loud noise over here. So do a short recap because I'm seeing a lot of stuff over here. I've seen a lot of parts like a quick shifter,
Okay,
tire monitor, pressure.
so you already had a ride with this bike at the International Media Launch. You're very lucky to be there in Almeria, Spain, as far as I know. And tell us something about it.
I rode a similar model that had all the things that you want on your bike, all the stuff that you can put on your optional list. What I've noticed, first of all, this engine, it's pretty flat. The power output is very predictable, so it's very nice to ride. If you're an everyday rider, if you're a beginner, or if you're an experienced rider, you will have a lot of fun with it. It can pull wheelies, it can skid the rear. Actually, it's not coming with the thrills that everybody seeks, snatchy throttle, so you can snatch it into the second gear and pull a wheelie. But this one feels very good while riding on twisties, you know? It's actually feeling very lightweight, although it's not a very light bike. So
That's great. That's great.
You will have a lot of fun with it.
If you like our videos, and we hope you do, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also there's a link over there in the description just below this video. You can support us through the Patreon and PayPal.
Push, push, push.
The F900XR is a brand new bike. It's got the parallel twin engine derived from the BMW F850GS, but now it develops 105 horsepower. As for this bike over here, it comes with a lot of goodies. It has the dynamic ESA on the rear, the dynamic ESA suspension. You have several settings. It also comes with a quick shifter that I heard it works very good. It works?
Yeah, definitely. I've tried it.
It comes with an adjustable windshield, it comes with a TFT dash. I also saw that we got some hand guards over there, right?
Yeah, we have to fit them on the bike.
So yeah, I'm really curious to see more about, to learn more about this bike, and I'm really curious about the riding position. But then, Yeah, it's not tall. I'm 174 centimeters, and I'm sitting perfectly
with the whole sole on the ground.
Yeah, and these are not my riding shoes, so it's okay. And the riding position is very, very nice with this wide handlebar, and I love the wide handlebars. I have enough leg room, and I think that there's enough leg room for you too.
Yeah, I can fit very good because
Plenty
I'm
of
taller
space
than you.
over here. Yep.
So there's another cool feature on this bike. You have a central stand, so you can lube your chain by yourself.
Yeah, that's good. Do I have to loop my chain?
Yeah, from time to time. I forgot to show you something very cool that this bike has. Okay, in the menu, you go to the sport menu over here, and ta-dam, you have
What's that, man?
telemetry. Exactly like on the S1000RR, you have braking power, intervention of the traction control, and also the leaning angle, the max leaning angle. So if you go on your trip, you can see how much did you brake, how much the traction control went on, and also we can compare our riding angles.
So we don't have to look at the tires anymore?
Yeah, you don't have to look for the chicken strips on the tires, and you can also pair it with your phone, so you get all this data to your smartphone and you can share it with friends.
This is the Pro riding mode stick, and I know what it does on the R2F50 GS, but I don't know what it does on this bike, so you should tell me because you already tried it.
You get the dynamic riding mode.
Yeah?
So
Dynamic
let's check
Pro
right now, because you have another riding mode over here.
Okay, so we got what? You got like road, rain, or what?
Dynamic and Dynamic Pro.
Dynamic and Dynamic Pro.
Yeah.
So it comes with the Dynamic Pro riding mode.
Yeah, so let's search the menu because it's very important to check out if there's something else over here on the Pro modes. On the settings. Vehicle settings. Dynamic Pro riding mode. So
yes.
From here you can adjust stuff.
What? Like what? Like the engine?
Yeah,
this is the throttle response. Now it's very aggressive.
The dynamic traction control.
4 stages.
ABS on 3 stages.
And that's it. And now you can, for example, you can kill the ABS or what?
Exactly, you can remove it.
So you can slide, you can do stoppies and things like that.
Exactly, and the good part is that every time you make a change, the bike tells you what the change
So
produce.
now what we have
reduced support from lift-off detection and ABS Pro on 2.
Yeah,
so
let's
let's move it to 1. 3. ABS Pro and lift-off detection deactivated. Rear wheel may lock. So this is very nice because now you can pull out skids with the rear.
That's what I'm gonna do right now. This was the unboxing for the F900XR. And I'm eager to ride this bike, and it's gonna happen right now. It's gonna happen really soon because all I have to do is to get the number plate. This is a long-term test review, so we're waiting for your comments, for your questions, for everything you want to know about this bike, and we're gonna answer to them in the comment section below and in our next videos.